Tired of containers that leak, take up too much space, or just don't keep your food fresh? The Razab large family-size glass container with airtight locking lids offers a smart solution that changes how you store and cook your meals. With 63 ounces of capacity and a sleek rectangular design, this container fits perfectly in your fridge and goes straight from the oven or microwave to your table without missing a beat. What sets this container apart is its premium borosilicate glass construction, industrial strength, restaurant quality, right in your kitchen. It's heat resistant from 40 to 520 degrees Celsius, so you can bake, reheat, or freeze your food without worrying about cracks or warping. The airtight, leak-proof silicone-sealed lid locks in freshness and prevents spills, making it ideal for everything from meal prepping to storing leftovers. Plus, the rectangular shape means less wasted space in your fridge, giving you room to organize smarter. One user shared how these containers keep pre-washed greens fresh longer, making them a game-changer for busy shoppers who want to avoid waste. Another appreciated how the rectangular design maximizes limited refrigerator space better than round containers. Cleaning is a breeze too. The glass base is dishwasher safe, top rack recommended, and the lids are easy to hand wash. Just remember, the plastic lids aren't microwave or oven safe, but the glass itself handles the heat like a pro. If you're someone who values durability, versatility, and efficient storage, this glass container is worth a look. It's not just a container, it's a tool that helps you organize your kitchen, reduce waste, and enjoy homemade meals with less hassle. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your food storage game and see how much smoother meal prep can be.